Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see what I got in my IPSY bag for the month of September 2021. I just got these in the mail, so let's see what I got. Okay, so I just got back from work and this was in my mailbox, so let's see what I got. Okay, so this is the bag. It's very pretty. And the first thing, let me see. Okay, here's the card. The theme is work, school, life. I mean, back to work, school, life. And the first item here, well, the first thing it was in the bag as soon as I opened it was these items. It's honey mask, and it's really okay. It's two. I was gonna say it feels very, very thick, but that's two mask. I'm definitely gonna try them. I'm gonna try one of them tonight, and I might try another one next week. But I'm very excited about this. They retail $3.50 per mask. And it says that this sheet mask duo has got all your skincare needs covered. Ooh, okay. The second item right here is these Sugar Cosmetics Plus Crush Cream Crayons in Mauva Mama. And it retails for $15.99. Let's see the shade. Ooh, it's really pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay. Very cute. It feels very soft. Okay, I like it. And the next item right here is from Original Skin. And this one retails for $38. Okay. This is matte moisturizer with willow herb. Is morning and night massage until clean skin and massage until absorb. Okay, it doesn't have a smell, but it didn't have a safety seal. Is this supposed to have one? It smells like orange, like a citrus smell, undertone. But anyways, it didn't have a safety seal, so okay. I don't know if it was supposed to, but I'm gonna use it anyways. Okay, the next item I have in here is this Bio Clarity Bare Face Exfoliating. And this one retails for $19.95. I love the color. It's a very pretty green. Okay. This one has a safety seal. Okay. Now I'm curious. Anyway. Okay, this one has a... It smells fresh. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells fresh. And last but not least, I have these eyeliner in black. This one retails for $22. And here, let's open it. Oh, okay. Here's the tape. It's regular like any other one. It has a nice pigmentation. Good, cute. Okay, well, these months, let's recap. I got these cosmetic Crush Cream Crayon. And this shade, okay, let me see what shade is in Mauba Mama. So the shade is Mauba Mama. Pretty cute. I got this Orange Made Moisturizer. I received these 2 face masks. I received this cleanser and this eyeliner. Okay, I'm pretty okay with this. Some products that I have never tried, like this one I have never tried before. I will try. I'm very excited about that. This one, I'm pretty excited about that one too. And these 2 that like I said, I'm gonna use one of them tonight. And the other 2 items, what was this? And the crayon. Like, I use lipstick all the time, so yeah. And an eyeliner liquid. It's always handy. So yeah, I'm very happy about these. Tell me, guys, what did you get on your IPSY this month? Did you like the items that you get? Were you hoping for something else? This month, I don't think I picked anything this month. I don't remember. I don't even remember getting the email or going to the app to make my choice. I have to check that. I don't remember because I don't think I pick any of this. But either way, I'm happy. Either way, I'm really happy about it. Well, this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the little bell notification so I can let you know whenever I upload a new video. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.